Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Atome credit card. First things first, what exactly is the Atome credit card? Atome is a buy now, pay later service that has gained popularity across Asia. The credit card brings their installment payment model to a new level. This isn't your typical credit card. It is designed for those who prefer flexible payment options for shopping, travel, and everyday spending. With Atome credit card, you get the ability to split your purchases into 3, 6, or 12-month installments with minimal or even zero interest, depending on the merchant. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with the Atome app for easy tracking and management. Key features. Now let's dive into what makes this card stand out. Here are some of its main features. Installment flexibility. You can split purchases into 3, 6, or 12-month payments. The flexibility is perfect for large purchases like gadgets or vacations. No annual fees. That's right, Atome's credit card has no annual fees, making it more budget friendly. Cashback and rewards. You can earn rewards and cashbacks for shopping with Atome's partnered merchants. For instance, certain merchants offer 5% cashback on purchases. Digital management. The Atome app serves as your control center. From setting up payments to tracking rewards, it's all streamlined and mobile friendly. Wide acceptance. Accepted across thousands of retailers in fashion, electronics, and lifestyle categories. It's great if you already shop with Atome's network. Pros of Atome credit card. Now let's talk about the benefits of having an Atome credit card. Convenient payment plans. If you are someone who prefers spreading out payments without hefty interest rates, this is a huge plus. Zero annual fee. Many traditional credit cards charge you for just owing the card. With Atome, you can keep your card without worrying about unnecessary charges. Exclusive deals. As part of Atome's ecosystem, you gain access to exclusive deals, discounts, and promotions from partnered retailers. Simple approval process. Unlike traditional banks, the Atome credit card has a more relaxed application process, making it accessible even for those with average credit scores. Cons of Atome credit card. Of course, no credit card is perfect, and the Atome credit card is no exception. Here are some of its drawbacks. Limited usage. While it's accepted at many retailers, it is not as universally accepted as a Visa or MasterCard, which could limit your options for international transactions. Potential overspending. Flexible payments can sometimes encourage overspending. It's important to stay within your budget and treat it as you would a regular credit card. Focus on Atome ecosystem. This card shines when used with Atome's partnered merchants. If your shopping habits are more diverse, you might not maximize its benefits. Now, who should get the Atome credit card? If you are a regular user of Atome's BNPL services or shop frequently with their partnered merchants, you can get this card. If you prefer installment payments over lump sum purchases, and if you want a no annual fee credit card with decent rewards. On the other hand, it's less suitable if you need a card for universal use. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.